Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with ConvertFlow for building interactive subscription forms, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with ConvertFlow, visit their website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your ConvertFlow dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Forms section. Click on the Create New Form button. Select the type of form you want to create, choosing from options like pop-up, inline, or sidebar. Choose an interactive subscription form template that suits your needs. Customize the template by adding your branding elements, such as colors and logos. Edit the form fields to include the information you want to collect, like name and email address. Use the drag-and-drop editor to rearrange the layout as desired. Add engaging elements, such as images or videos, to attract more signups. Connect your email marketing platform to ensure collected data syncs directly. Preview the form to see how it will look to users. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your form live. Copy the embed code provided by ConvertFlow. Paste the embed code into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. Test the subscription form to ensure everything works smoothly. Monitor the performance of your form through the Analytics dashboard within ConvertFlow. Adjust your form based on the analytics to improve subscription rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.